So believe that, okay, everybody registered for Google W. Okay, so links, everything is shared already. Fine. So let's move for aptitude part. Here we have quant and reasoning. Okay, in aptitude, they're asking quant and reasoning in Google W. Verbal, there is a separate exam for you. You have English test. In the selection process, you already saw aptitude test is there, English test is there. English test, they're asking separately. So here we are going to learn quant and reasoning. And we are discussing the questions from mock test given in the platform last year and last year paper, main paper as well. So focus on the topics and the discussion what is happening. There is high chances questions will repeat. I mentioned that repeatedly. So please see the first question. This is from the reasoning directions topic. Directions topic in reasoning. Definitely you will expect a question from directions in your main exam as well related to Google Women Engineering Program. Directions. Here what they given, Rahim started from point X and walked straight 5 kilometers west. We believe, okay, let's say you people don't have any knowledge on any of the topic related to quantitative reasoning. We'll start every question from scratch, how to approach. Explanation may take time, first paper. Second paper onwards, you can speed up. First paper will take more time to give all the insights. Next paper onwards, we'll speed up the things, okay. And here we are fine. Rahim started from point X, he go for 5 kilometer west, then turn left and walk 2 kilometer, again turn left and walk 7 kilometer. In which direction is he from the point X? From point X means from starting point. And this question can be solved in two different ways. If you want to learn directions topic in depth, you can find in my channel, Aptitude channel in YouTube. You have a directions topic already. You can learn from that. If you have time, you go through. It's a half-an-hour video where every model in directions is already addressed in that YouTube channel. I think everybody of you know. Aptitude Hemant is the channel name. You just open YouTube and type Aptitude Hemant. You can find videos related to directions or what are the topic I'm mentioning. You can go through that in-depth knowledge if required. Okay, or else the thing what we're discussing here is sufficient to attempt the questions in Google W, no issues. See, this can be done in two ways. Majority of you know method one, drawing the diagram. Method two, without drawing the diagram also you can do. Both let us discuss. So first thing, he started from point X. Okay, somewhere X is there. Okay, and I believe that you people know on paper this is the directions. North after clockwise east will come, then south, then west on paper. Because some people take paper in this way or that way, so this is not to me. It's not like that on paper. Actually, for me, right side is north. Here I am showing east. Okay, actually this is not for us practical. That's what on paper I am telling. On paper you can take north is above, right is east side, below is south, left is west side on paper. Right. You started from X good and you travel 5 kilometer west. West means left side. You travel 5 kilometer west side. This approach everybody know in general. Now you are in this way. They are saying left. Okay, you have to turn left and walk 2 kilometers. In this way, left means you have to go in this side. Left and right you have to understand. So when you are traveling in this way, left means this. And that too, this is 5 kilometers. This is 2 means I have to draw the line smaller. Compared to that line, this should be a smaller line. 2 kilometers, right? Then again, you turn left. Now you are in this way, you are turning left side. Right is this, left is this. So you should travel left. How much distance? 7 kilometers. Means you should cross this line and travel extra. 7. Up to here it is 5. 2 extra. 7, right? Okay. Then now from starting point, you are in which direction? So you are below. Below means south as well as right. Right means east. With respect to starting point, you are right now south east. Below is south, right is east. So you have to go with southeast. Some people will take northwest. Answer is northwest. If question is from the final point, initial point is which direction? X is in which direction from your point now? Okay, yeah. Northwest is answered from here. X is top and left. From final point, let's say y is the final point. From final point, x is top side and left side. Then from y, x is northwest direction. From x, y is southeast direction. You have to read the question properly because both will be available in the options. You see northwest also available here. Okay, they'll wantedly they'll keep. Okay, suppose north is their answer, south also they'll keep because which direction you are seeing is important. Okay, see in directions, the question they may ask you like which direction you are or what distance. From starting point, you are at what distance? This is starting point. Your final point is what distance? They may ask you distance. They may ask you related to direction as well. Right, fine. This is method 1. Everybody know this method, drawing the diagram. I am focusing more on method 2, which may save some time for you people in exam. Okay. What's the method 2 is? From starting point, initially you went 5 kilometers west, right? 5 kilometers west. Then left direction 2 kilometers, right? See, from west, left means you should go anti-clockwise direction. North, east, south. First question, right? It may take time as this is a new method, but once you understand and you got the idea, then it's easy for you to go up. When you are going right side means clockwise. Right means you are going clockwise, left means anti-clockwise. So from west, left to anti-clockwise means south will come. That is anti-clockwise. So south, 2 kilometers south you have to mention. From south, left means east will come. South, east, left means anti-clockwise. Okay, I have to go like this, anti-clockwise. Whenever I say left in the question, you think about anti-clockwise direction. Okay, now this is what the final point, right? That's it, they given 5 kilometer west, turn left 2 kilometers, then turn left 7 kilometers, completed, fine. Now you reach the final point, let's say it is called as Y. Now what you have to do, among west and east, as it is opposite, south is 5 west, subtract 7 minus 5, 2, which is more among east and west? East. So 2 east, 2 south will come. 2 south already there. Why you got 2 east? 7 minus 5. West and east are opposite. We are subtracting that. 7 minus 5. 2. East is more, so 2 east. Now when you got southeast or northeast like this, when you this is called cardinal directions. This is southeast, northeast, northwest, southwest and all. Then you have to apply Pythagoras theorem, root of 2 square plus 2 square, and direction is southeast. Root of 2 square plus 2 square means 2 root 2. So what's your answer should be? From starting point you are in southeast direction. If they ask distance, 2 root 2 kilometers is your distance. So why you are applying Pythagoras theorem? You draw the diagram, 2 east, 2 south. Where you got a right angle triangle here? 2 eastern, 2 south, we got a right angle triangle. Distance means in this directions topic, always keep in mind shortest path. Distance means shortest path. So shortest path is this one. From this point to this point, this is the shortest path. That's why you have to apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is nothing but square root of adjacent square plus opposite side square. So root of 2 square plus 2 square. That's what we apply. Not only for southeast, southeast, northeast, northwest, southwest. That combinations, those are called cardinal directions. We have 4 main directions. North, east, south and west are main directions. We have cardinal directions. Northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest are called cardinal directions. Whenever you got that, you can apply Pythagoras theorem. This is without diagram. So this is also taking time for us. Yes, because this is the first question you are listening and understanding the new methodology. It will take time. But when you practice more and more, the second method also will help you out to solve the question in less time. I'm giving you both methods, whatever it's flexible. Okay, you are feasible with that. You can go ahead. So it's from my end, I have to give all the input. So I hope you understand this question. Every paper directions definitely question is there in reasoning. Right. Let's move for the next one. And we are requesting everyone to take that mock test. Okay, 2 or 3 mock tests is already there. Okay, in that Google Women program, okay, in that website itself, when you open. Okay, there you have mock test. Whenever you are free, okay, you just take the mock test. You understand the timings, whether you are able to solve all the given questions within the time or not. So everything you can check those. Now this is related to coding and decoding topic, which we covered already in regular classes. If not, you can just recall the videos in the channel. You can at least okay get those revision part. Central is somehow coded as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Planetarium is coded as H, G, F, C, B, D, F, E, I, J, K. Now, what is for lantern? Central. To understand the code better, they given two things. So at least always have this habit. Write the above one and code below so that you can track the things bit fast. So here this is 3 and here it is 1 minus 2 you may think about. Here 5 and 2 minus 3. We may think about that. But see, the logic should satisfy for all this. Or is it directly given? Wherever n is there, see, yeah, I think this is the question which is not going in this way. You can find same letters wherever L is there. You observe they assigned already. L, what is the given? G. Here L is second letter. What is the given? G. Means wherever L is there, we have to give G. Here L is G. That's why first letter everything G. In options, first letter everything G because wherever L is there, G is assigned. Now wherever A is there, F is assigned. We can double check here. A is nothing but F. So we have to start with G, F, C, D. See, doing first four letters waste of time because all options same. So it will help you to go for E letter and N letter, first and last. That's the one which is going to decide the answer. So E is the second letter. E is nothing but B. So I can eliminate option A and C. Now among B and D, N will go. N is nothing but C it seems. So B and ending with C. So this is the option. Option B, it's not about okay each value C value 3 A value 1 not required. They assigned okay some letters fixed one. L is always they given as a G, A always they given as 5. What are the logic it might be? R they given as E. So wherever R is there you need to keep E. You can check here also R is given as E. Here R is E. To understand that one only, they given two codes, central and other one planetarium. You can see common letters, common code is fixed. So wherever L is there, we need to maintain G like that. So see the next one, coding and decoding definitely you can expect. That's what from first years they'll, okay, they may expect the things from first year is this. See the next one. This is actually comes under seating arrangements or ordering concept. We have to put them in order. In general, broadly to speak, this will comes under seating arrangements. Seating arrangements, ordering. We have to put them in order. Who is the tallest? Who is the shortest? Last row, is it visible? Screen. So there are 5 friends. Suresh, Kaushal, Madhur, Amit and Ramesh. Now then your job is who will be the shortest? What are the method you follow? It's all up to you to decide who is the shortest. Try. So how can you eliminate the options? Question is what? Who will be the shortest, right? Now see, Madhur is the tallest. He cannot be shortest. Clear. Next, Suresh is shorter than Kaushal. So Kaushal is not the shortest, right? Suresh is shorter than somebody shorter than Kaushal exists means Kaushal cannot be shortest. Clear. So Kaushal eliminated. Amit is shorter than Kaushal, but Amit is taller than Suresh. So Amit is taller than Suresh means Amit cannot be shortest. So only option Ramesh. This is one method. Yeah, I too agree we can draw the diagram. I'll show that method as well. But other method like this also we can eliminate. Who is the shortest? Yeah, Madhur is the tallest. He cannot be shortest out. Kaushal, Suresh is shorter than Kaushal. So somebody shorter than Kaushal means Kaushal cannot be shortest. Amit is taller than Suresh, so Amit cannot be shortest. Now, sir, no, I want the exact thing. So, okay, you can draw. Suresh is shorter than Kaushal and Suresh is taller than Ramesh. That's one data we have. Suresh is shorter than Kaushal but taller than Ramesh. Madhur is the tallest. Amit is shorter than Kaushal but taller than Suresh. So Amit is short. Here Amit will take this position. Amit will take this. Here this is. And Madhur is the tallest. So shortest among those five people is this. You can do the arrangement. This is one method. Okay, the other method is this. Right. So see the next question. This is very basic. Okay. If you don't have any topic knowledge also directly when see the question, you people can attempt. But problem when you attempt directly, the timing is the issue. Reasoning main problem is that, my dear friends. So 20 questions you cannot solve in 20 minutes. It will take 30 minutes also. You need to reduce that time. Otherwise, remaining questions you may not able to attempt. That's why we are requesting to complete that mock test. Okay, in the portal at earliest. Now, blood relations. Blood relation topic. Yeah, you can revise using the videos which we already kept in our channel. So you can just go through that. Blood relations available in that. At any point of time, if you have doubt, please raise hand and get it clarified. What are the time we are spending here? It should be useful. And ask the doubt. Definitely, I tell you, you are representing around 30 to 40 other people who are having same doubt. You are helping the others. Please ask doubts and get it clarified. Please, okay, put your mobiles in bag or somehow it should not be visible. Fine. So what's the answer? A. So you can draw the diagram and check it out that A is brother of B. So A and B are same generation. A is brother of B. C is sister of A. D is the brother of E. Hold on that statement because we don't have D and E on screen now. E is daughter of B. So E is daughter of B. Plus is for male gender, minus for female. Okay, maybe if you don't have that idea, we already kept that blood relation video in the channel. Plus generally we are using to indicate male gender, minus to indicate female gender. And if you feel those people are same generation, we have to keep in same line. Okay, here A is brother of B. So brother is your generation. Keep it same line. And right now I don't know B gender here. A is brother of B. A is male. But B may be male or female. I don't have clarity. So I kept just like that. Next one C is sister of A. Sister also same generation. Same generation, same line. Next, E is brother of B. Sorry, yeah. D is brother of E. But D and E I don't have right now. I have C, A, B. D and E hold on. What is the other statement we have? E is daughter of B. Daughter means below generation or above generation? Below generation for B. So E is daughter, E is female generation. E is daughter of B. We skip one statement before. What is that? D is brother of E. So D is brother of E. Right? So what else left? F is father of C. Okay. F is father of C. Okay, here they didn't ask let it be, but F is grandfather for E and D. For E and D, because these three people are siblings. Sorry. F is father for C, A, B, all these three people. F is father for C, F is father for A, F is father for B. Okay. And F is grandfather of E and D. How C related to D? C related to D is aunt, your parents' sister. In English, father, sister, mother, sister, both, parents, brother, uncle. Good. So the given question is like, who is the uncle of D? For D, uncle means parents, brother. B is parent for D. Parent, brother is nothing but A. So uncle. Aunt, if they ask question, who is aunt of D? C. C is aunt of D. Who is grandfather of D? F. They may change. Okay. Understand the question methodology. If luck favors, same questions may repeat. At least, okay, let's believe in the concept first. Luck is next. Now, see this coding and decoding topic. In that, we have one model called mixed coding. Cow is right is written as SIK, When you copy the question, write only that. Cow is white, dash SIK, Next, horse is black below line. Okay, dash RISIKIA. Write like that. Okay, so that you can compare things easily. Now, question is, what is the code for black? Is it either or, none of this, or RIIA, Which one? What's the answer? Either RI or II. Okay, see, if you compare, cow is white. In exam, what you do, this is also taking time. You write CIW, first letters. To save the time, if you want to, you cannot see the question and answer also sometimes. At least write that first letters. Cow is white is sick, pick, and knit, NIT. I am writing only first letters. Next one, horse is black. Is given as R S capital I. Okay. Next one, they given rabbits are white. If suppose first letter same, two words are there, use second letter to avoid confusion. So thin, knit, T, small t, capital T is there. So now see, general approach is black is in which line? Second line. That should be compared with remaining lines. You take this as X line, Y line and Z line. Black is in Y line. Y should be comparing with X. Y should compare with Z. By the time you should get the answer. Or else it will be either or likewise. If Y and X are compared, what is common is? S is common. Letter is I. Means I is actually nothing but E is for us. S is nothing but actually SIK. Right? So E is nothing but SIK. Okay, then comparing Y and Z, is there anything common? No. So black, I cannot decide. Some people may be thinking about, sir, black is the last word, I is last word, map that one. Don't do like that, because see, this is first one, but I is here. Don't see about the positions. How are you is in English, but in your local language, same meaning, order will change. Meaning is same, order will change. Order is not fixed. Here, second letter, there, first one. Here, middle, okay, but this is second one, this is first one. So, black can be either RI or IA. R means, I think, like, yeah, RI or IA. So, that's why either R we have to go with. Option either R. Okay, you just mark option either R. Either RI or IA. Black will be either RI or IA. Either R. Coding and decoding related question. Let's go for the next one once you are done with this. Next, we have some learning. Next question, because you have already coding and decoding some knowledge, series completion and all. But next question is a fresh concept. Okay. Related to that also, every topic, whatever I mentioned so far, videos available in the channel. You can go through that and learn the concepts. Next one, this is comes under ranking concept. Ranking. This is ranking concept, belongs to reasoning. So for all the 6 questions, whatever we are discussing is related to reasoning only. Ranking concept here. Ranking. So what they given in a class of 60, where boys are twice that of girls, Aleka is ranked 17th from the top. If there are 9 boys ahead of Aleka, then how many girls are after her in the rank? And in fact, the ranking concept also not required for this question. It's a very basic one. In fact, in a class of 60, all this type of basic questions only they are asking you in exam. In a class of 60, where boys are twice that of girls, Aleka is ranked 17th from the top. If there are 9 boys ahead of Aleka, then how many girls are after her? After her in the rank. So first of all, how many girls, how many boys? 20 girls and 40 boys. Super. Because 60 boys and girls, boys is twice the number of girls. So you people can write boys plus girls is 60. As boys is twice the girls, 3 girls is equal to 60. You can say girls is 20 and boys is nothing but 40. In question they given boys is twice the girls. Okay, fine. There is another method 2:1 writing and all. But for first year, so this is sufficient. I am not going to typical things and all. Now Aleka is ranked 17th from the top. Fine. So Aleka is a girl. Aleka is 17th from top. Okay, female. Before Aleka, how many people are there before Aleka? 1 to 16 is there. Among those 16, how many are boys? 9 boys are there. So obviously 7 girls are already done. So before Aleka, 9 boys and 7 girls. And Aleka is the 8th girl. 8th girl from top. Now total how many girls are there? 20. So 8 completed means after Aleka, 12 girls. After Aleka, 12 girls is there. So 8th girl from top is Aleka. So after Aleka, 12 girls will be there. After Aleka, we have 12 girls. So you can see 12, 10, 33, 26 and all. So answer is 12. Total 60 boys plus girls. Boys is twice the girls. From that girls 20, boys 40 we understand. And Aleka is 17 from the top. Before that they given this 9 boys are there. They given that in the question. Okay, from head of Aleika, there are 9 boys already. That's why remaining 7 are girls, and Aleika is the 8th girl. So after Aleika, you have 12 girls. Some people they don't count Aleika, and they consider only 7. Remaining is 13. You have option 13 also. Well, 13 not there, lucky enough. But if 13 is there, we may go with that option also. Anyhow, 13 is not given. Bit safe. So this is not related to ranking. Also very basic one. Okay. This is visual reasoning, diagram related. You have 3 videos in the channel already kept related to visual reasoning, diagrams related. Here question is embedded figure. What is embedded figure means? That diagram, above diagram should be there in one of the options. In which option that is exist? This shape, whatever this shape is there, this one should be there in one of the options. In which option that's available? The same shape. Priority should be shape, size as well. The same shape, same size. D we can find out. Okay, worst case that letter Z is there here. Z here, that circle. We don't have that Z letter anywhere other. Okay, among the options, the best suitable is D. And problem, you please make sure they're shuffling the options. D is not the last one. D they keep it as first one. So this circle along with that Z shape, okay, this similar one available only in this. I too agree that below line is bit longer one, but that at least this shape is not available in remaining. Problem is that we don't have this shape in remaining options. Okay, so the embedded figure means, okay, what are the question they given that should be inside the options. So there are 2 similar things. Then you see about position and size as well. Shape, position, Z is below, you need Z in below only. Some other option Z is above means don't consider. So 2 options are there. Then see about size as well. Z is small size, here also Z should be small size. Here I too agree, some people have a doubt, sir. Here below line is bit longer. Here they given equal, fine. But at least the matching one available in D only. Among options. Sometimes while redrawing the diagrams, they may do some mistakes. But among options, which is best suitable is D only. Visual reasoning. Okay, non-verbal reasoning we can also call. Non-verbal reasoning is all with diagrams. Picture based. Okay, some people call this as image based reasoning. Images. They'll give images, they'll ask you mirror image, water image, what is the next diagram, okay, what is the spotting out embedded figure, paper cutting, paper folding. There are a lot of concepts comes under visual reasoning. In the video what I kept already in the YouTube, it's around 13 subtopics I explained. In saying this non-verbal reasoning itself, 3 different videos are there. If time permits, you go through that also. Back to blood relation. Shama says that father of Rajiv's father is my father. How Shama is related to Rajiv? Read the question carefully. They given options: father, sister, mother, niece. Shama says that father of Rajiv's father. I said during blood relations, you have to break up with the from the word is. Here my means my should be who? Shama. Okay, because the statement is said by Shama. And here, because of father of Rajiv's father means Rajiv's father is Sham father. Rajiv's, this should be written, we have to read back to front because of the word of. In English, we know father of my brother is nothing but my brother father. Father of my brother means my brother father. Father of Rajiv's father means Raju's father. Rajiv father is, this person is nothing but Shama father. So Shama should be here. Shama, at least with the options we can see female. With the name or with the options sister, niece, mother, aunt, that indicates that Shama is nothing but female. So Yes, Shama father, Rajiv's father both same. So Rajiv father and Shama are siblings. Now how is Shama related to Rajiv is father, sister, aunt. Option A. Option A. Read the question carefully. When there is a word of, you need to read from back to front. Father of my brother, we can read it as my brother father. Father of my brother, we can read it like my brother father. Same inputs. Father of Rajiv's father means Rajiv's father is Shama father. Already we clearly mentioned during blood relations, only legal relations. Okay, they'll give questions only with legal relations only. Next question, back to directions. Yeah, try this. No discussions. No discussion. Serious question. With respect to starting point, which direction you are now? Whether you use diagram oriented or without diagram, it's up to you. Any doubt in the previous question or anything, please ask. Get it. No discussions with your friends, please ask. Get it clarified here. Yeah, with or without diagram, what should be your answer? What's the answer from you? Northeast, southeast. Okay. So I always prefer when there is, listen. In question, when there is angle not mentioned, is any angle mentioned 45 degrees, something like that? No. In question, whether there is northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest, nothing like that. When those things are not given, you always prefer to go with without diagram. So how to go without diagram? See, first you travel from point A, you travel 8 kilometers north. From there, you turn right. Right means clockwise, south, east will come. How much distance? 3 kilometers. From there, you went left. Left means again north will come. Left means you have to go anti-clockwise. Right means clockwise. We discussed. Right, so north. Next one. Finally, he took a right turn. From here again, right means clockwise, east will come. So finally, all things completed, right? Okay, you are done. You reach point B. Now here, north and north you combine, east and east you combine. What do you have? 13 north, 14 east. Means you have to go with northeast direction from point A, and distance means root of 13 square plus 14 square. They're not asking the distance. What they're asking? Direction from A, so northeast. If they ask distance, it will be close to 13.2, something like 169 plus 196 root of it will be between around 180 something. Root 180 means 13 point something should come. But okay, they're asking only regarding this. From starting point northeast. Sir, no, I'll draw the diagram. Okay, good, you can try, no problem. You go the diagram also. But while drawing the diagram, 8 lines should be more than 5. 3 should be smaller than 5. 11 should be greater than 8. That line distance you're drawing, that should be a bit conscious. Okay. All north you can combine, all east you can combine, then finally you can decide. Northeast. And see some questions what they'll ask, Listen. They may ask you the other question for this one. Last line. In which direction he is facing now? Last line, if instead of this, I can ask you, in which direction he is facing now? Last one is what? East, then you have to say east. In which direction he is facing now? Means east. What distance means root of 13 square plus 14 square? From starting point or from last to first or first to last distance is same. A to B distance, B to A distance is same. But listen, direction from A you are northeast. From B to A is southwest, reverse should come. You have to read the question carefully. From point A, B is northeast. Then from B to A, reverse direction southwest will come. B to A. A is which direction from B? Means this is actually, this method will give from A only. A to B from starting point. If you want B to A, you write reverse of this. Northeast, reverse is southwest. You have to go with southwest. That's why, okay, generally they'll keep those options as well. Anyhow, here we have northeast, cool, easy. But this one, why right is east, we discussed already. On paper, northeast, south and west. I hope you know news is came from these letters only. News. Okay, but not in the same order. Okay, to spell the things preferably. From all directions, whatever the matter comes, that's what they call news. But the order is not correct. NESW actually, but they keep it as WS. Okay, so fine. So clockwise after northeast. Okay, anti-clockwise. This is west should go to south. Likewise, you have to. Left means anti-clockwise. Right means clockwise. Now again, similar to that ordering. See the concepts, at least by this time you understand, they're asking similar concepts. Now question is, who among them is the tallest? A or A or no? A is the second shortest. E is the shortest, A is the second shortest because A is taller than only E. Means E is the shortest among all and A is only taller than E means A will be second shortest. That place fixed, A and E. Okay, now B is shorter than C and taller than D. So C is the tallest. A and D places are fixed with that statement. A is taller than only E. So that indicates clearly E is the shortest, A is the second shortest. Tallest is C. Ordering related, okay, understand the statements, this statement. Hope you understand this question. So, yeah, they given A is taller than only E, means E should be shortest, A will be second shortest. Among 5 slots, A is taller than only E. If A I take any other place, it may be taller than other people also. They said A should be taller than only E means definitely E should be the shortest place. That's the only accommodation we can keep, and A should be second shortest. And remaining 3 slots, they said B is shorter than C but taller than D. B is shorter than C but taller than D. I can keep that in the top 3. Only those 3 slots are available. So C is the tallest. Sometimes they'll ask you second tallest. Read the questions carefully. What they're asking is they're asking shortest or second tallest. Okay, have a clear idea of what they're asking. Next one, Rama remembers that she meet her brother on Saturday. So this is related to day and all calendar topic. Yes, calendar topic is there in the channel. You can learn lot and lot related to calendar also. This is calendar related, but not too much of stuff required. Basic knowledge. This comes under calendar, but basic. In calendar, there are a lot of concepts like they give a date, what day it is you need to decide. There are a lot of concepts. But this question is not related to that. This is very, very basic. She met her brother on Saturday, which was after the 20th day of a particular month. If the first day of that month was Tuesday, then on which day did Rama meet her brother? So Rama remembers that she met her brother on Saturday, which was after the 20th day of a particular month. If first day of that month was Tuesday, then on which day Rama met her brother? See, if first day is Tuesday, right? So first is Tuesday, they met on Saturday. First Tuesday, second Wednesday, third is Thursday, fourth is Friday, fifth is Saturday. Fifth Saturday means after 7 days, 12th also, after 7 days, after 7 days, 26th also Saturday. Now the question, Rama she met her, okay, on Saturday. On which date Rama met her brother? To just, okay, deviate you from the concept, they kept the 20th day of a particular month after the 20th day, yeah, after 20th. Yeah, fine. See, this is 5th, 12th, and 19th is before 20th. So after 26th, is there anything? 26 plus 7 is 33, we don't have. Okay, any month hardly 31 is the maximum. So after 20th only day left over is 26th. Or else use the options. We don't have 5, we don't have 12, we don't have 90, 26. So this is very basic. Every 7 days same, after every 7 days same day will come. That's the only basic required for this calendar topic. No sir, calendar, this is very basic. I want to know difficult questions. Yeah, calendar video available. You go through. Okay, in calendar there are concepts like, okay, right now we are in 2024, right? In 2024, the same calendar January 1st to December 31st, next in which year will come? Or last year 2023, same calendar 2023 from January 1st to December 31st as it is will come next in which year? Is 2034. 2023 calendar you go and check, 2034 same calendar as it is will be there. 2024 right now, the same calendar will be available in 2056. You take the mobile in break and you check how you, that concept you learn in that calendar video which I already did. It's available. You go through. Or I'll give some date, your date of birth. Okay, what day it is. Yes, still you have a method to solve. Those are next level concepts, but this is basic. From first BTech students, they'll expect only basics. They are giving basic questions only. You want to learn the topic in depth? Yes, video available in channel. Go through, learn whenever you feel free. But first priority in your free time, complete the mock test. You open, you already have a login credentials, which you set already that username and password. You log in, you can find there is a mock test. You complete those mock tests. Make sure the timing is sufficient or not, where it is lagging, you just follow those. Now, serious question. This generally belongs to quant. Okay, they may ask in reasoning also in simplification, arithmetical reasoning, or we can take it in quant also. Murthy is moving from town A to town B. In first hour, he travel 1/4 of the journey. In next 1 hour, he travel half of the journey. In the last 30 minutes, he travel 80 kilometers. Listen, okay, see the same concept they ask in high level means they'll ask average speed, lot of other things. Here they're asking very simple. 1/4 and half gone means still 1/4 is there. 1/4 is 80, total distance is 320. They're asking total distance. How you know 1/4, sir? Out of total 1/4 is first 1 hour, next hour half. Out of the total 1/4 and half completed means still 1/4 is there. Total can be divided as half plus half. Half can be divided as 1/4 plus 1/4. Still 1/4 is available. That 1/4 is 80 kilometers. So 1/4 is 80 means total is 320. Option available 320. If they want to ask the same question, They may ask you in a different style like average speed, okay, a lot of other stuff, speed in first 1 hour, something like that. But they're asking here basics. We can take, let's say, total distance, let us say for your better understanding, total distance is D. I can take it like D by 2, D by 2. D by 2 can be split as D by 4, D by 4. Quarter plus quarter is half. Maybe boys will understand better. So quarter plus quarter is half, so half plus half is full, right? So they know, they may know it. Now they said first hour quarter completed, next hour full swing half completed, last they are not in the mood, so only this 30 minutes, last 30 minutes D by 4. They said that is nothing but 80 kilometers. So D can be 320. 320. Sir, whether they said in the question half and half, no. That is for an understanding I split. If I write D by 4, D by 4, D by 2, you may not understand directly. I just split it D as D by 2, D by 2. They didn't given that in the question. Okay, actually I need to mention simply D by 4, D by 2. The other one is D by 4. This I have to mention. How we know this is D by 4 is from the total D by 4 and D by 2 should be subtracted. Then you got D by 4, that is 80 kilometers. Actually, like this, we need to split. For a better understanding, I explain in a different way. Okay, D by 4 is the last journey, last part. Right, so 320 is the answer. Basics. Every topic they are going with the basics. Yeah, anyhow, recording link will be shared. Okay, if anything you not yet copied, you can copy it later. But when question is completed, don't okay stuck there, move for the next. If doubt is there, okay, you ask right now or at least in a break. If you not copied the question entirely, no problem. Later refer the video and copy it. Yeah, this question, good question. Please understand the question properly. A lot of people will struck understand the question. Here question is, this is related to reasoning. There is one topic called alphabet test in reasoning. This type of question they're asking in central government job, SSC and all. Okay, but easy one only, don't worry. In networking, see, listen. What's the question they're asking? You just, I want to simplify it. Okay, let us say between A and D in alphabetical order, how many letters is there? Normal alphabetical order A, B, A and D. Between how many letters? Two letters B and C. If suppose here also in the networking word, let's say if A and D is there, if two letters only in between, you need to. I don't want B and C only. Okay, if two letters is there, that pair I have to consider. That is one. Like that, I have to find the page which is exactly matching your alphabetical series. Number of letters gap. Okay, let's we check here for G and I. Generally between G and I, how many letters? One. Here between G and I, how many? So ing is one pair. Order reverse also no problem. They have to mention same order means then you have to go only forward direction. The reverse direction also okay. My question is like the number of letters gap should be same. Between G and I normally one gap is there. Here also between G and I one gap. Okay, fine, we can consider. Like that you need to pick. Okay, between R and T how many letters? One, but here there is two letters not considered. You don't consider. So it's your job now to pick the things which is exactly fit in between. One is ing. Okay, here ing, one letter gap. Okay, generally GHI or I, okay, reverse also no problem. One letter gap matched. So IG is one such pair. One such page. So like that you need to pick the page which is suitable. Is it 1? 0 means none. Is that 2 or 3? So you have only hardly 3 if available or else 0 also. Between E and G, no. Let's check from N. N to E not possible, N to T not possible, N to W no, N to O no, N to R yes, K and G. No, I think K and G we have this, right? So N and R. N and R we need 3 letters only, but here 4 letters are there. N is 14, R is 18, in between 3 only. Here 4 is there, not N and R. R and R and E, P, T, D, R and T. No, right? Here R and T, how many letters is there? 3, but R S T only 1 letter. Yes, next. So first the procedure is at least go with, okay, this way, right? We are saying N O P Q R, N O P Q R S T. Yeah. T and N, I think you can check between T and other N. How many letters in between? 5. Okay. Normally N O P Q R S. I think it's okay with this. One more pane. R and N also. This N or this N. Okay. R and N. Fine. But problem, you have 3 letters, right? Between R and N. Here only 2 letters, K and I. Not accepted. And yeah, please be careful. I repeat the thing. If they mention last line, English alphabetical series in the same order. In the same order means we should see in forward direction only. Both of this, what we did now is reverse one. Okay, if they mention same order means you should go with only forward way. Here they didn't mention that same order. That's why I'm taking reverse also. I'm just considering only a number of letters gap. If it is forward or reverse, no issue. But if they mention English alphabetical series in same order, then you have to go in forward. Anything else? I think that's it. Between I and G, that's okay. E and I, no. E and N, E is 5, that is 14, 8 letters, not possible. So no. T with this, T this way. T and N completed, so T and G not possible. Yeah, I think that's it. Only we have 2. This is taking time. See, this question is taking time because we are worrying about there is option 3 also. 0 is there, none means nothing but 0. Okay, 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. As options 3 also there, we are taking time to check. This is taking time, this type of question. So what you can do in exam, this type of question initially skip. That's the best strategy always when the question which is time taken, skip it. I'm not saying to leave the question at the end. Last, okay, if time permits, you attempt it. Because this question taking 3 minutes means you are losing 3 other questions. You may lose other questions. So first go with the questions which is taking less time. That's what any competitive exam best preparation strategy is that. It's not like you are not having grip in that. Don't go with your ego. Okay, this question solving, then only my ego will satisfy. It's not about ego. Going for the next round is important. Okay, so first go with the easy, time less taking questions. Easy means. Moderate means okay, taking 1 minute and all. Question taking more than 1 minute, skip it initially. It will take hardly 5 to 10 seconds for you to grasp is it taking more time or less time. Otherwise, remaining questions will be a problem. So make sure about those. Here, okay, as per our discussion, we concluded only 2. See the next one. This we discussed in mathematical coding. In coding and decoding topic, I kept one concept called mathematical coding. Okay, generally this topic is called mathematical operations or mathematical coding. Default, whenever multiple operations is there, you have to follow Bodmas rule. not from left to right. Okay, priorities. Don't directly do, okay, you use priorities. There is no bracket, so start with division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction, maintain the priority. So 16 plus 4 multiplied by 5, subtracting 72 divided by 8. See, generally multiplication, division, same priority. When both are separated, you can do both parallelly. You can do multiplication here, you can do division there directly. Okay, 16 plus 20 minus 9, which is 36 minus 9, 25, 27, sorry, 27. Mathematical operations or mathematical coding. I discussed in mathematical coding, but if you find some textbooks, they'll give this in mathematical operations. Okay, that's one topic. If you want to practice more like this, you can search related to mathematical operations. You can find a lot of these questions. Or else in coding and decoding, in our booklet, we discussed in mathematical coding. This is also same mathematical coding related. Solve. Now, first priority which will come? Brackets. First, inside the brackets, we need to perform. Then we'll discuss. No discussion, please. So wherever subtraction is there, we have to keep multiplication, division as addition, multiplication as division. Oh, good, good. Yeah. Here 45 plus 9, 54 divided by 9 is nothing but 6. 6 minus 2 is nothing but. We need to do inside the brackets. That's what in both mass B stands for. O stands for ordering, powers actually. Okay, powers we should refer in. Now see the 16th one. Not difficult, don't worry, not difficult. First solve, then copy the things. First solve it. See, it's similar. We have 5 seminars from Monday to Friday. Monday which seminar, Friday which seminar, that you need to decide. Which day, which seminar. Okay, B seminar is on which day? It's not in the same order. That okay, they're not in the same order. Sir, A is on Monday, B is on Tuesday. No. Okay, A, B, C, D are 5 seminars. They scheduled on Monday to Friday. Which one is on what day you need to decide. Solve it. Yeah, if you see the details here, there is one seminar between A and B. A seminar is before Wednesday. Fine means Monday or Tuesday. Okay, two chances. C is before E. C is before E means not immediately before. It may be C is on first day, E may be on the last day. C is before E only. It may be immediately before or there is a gap also. They didn't use the word immediately. Not used. E seminar is not on Friday. The number of seminars between B and D is same as between. So between A and B, 1. Okay. And between B and D also, 1 seminar. Okay, fine. E is not on Friday. Okay, so it will be like A blank, B blank, D. Is it? Number of between A and B. And A is before B, right? Or yeah, A definitely should be on Monday or Tuesday. A is before Wednesday means it should be Monday or Tuesday. So A to B 1 gap, Okay, B to D, 1 gap. So this is fixed. E is not on Friday. Yes, E is already occupied with us. So with this itself, we are done. The question, I don't worry about remaining. The what is the question? How many seminars before B is 2? No, sir, I want to complete remaining. Yes, C seminar is before E. C is before E means C should be here. E should be here. C is before E. They didn't mention immediately before. So this is the actual order for this question. They may ask you, this is Monday. They may ask you other question like, okay, which seminar is scheduled on Wednesday? Which seminar is scheduled on Thursday? They can ask other questions like that. But this is the one you just focus. How many seminars are before the seminar of B? Is nothing but 2, and this is the other things. Any condition failed, A seminar is between before Wednesday, yes. One between A and B satisfied, C is before E. E is not on Friday, that is also satisfied. Everything satisfied. No problem. Okay. A lot of people still thinking that C is exactly before E. No, not immediately before. C is before E. There should be a gap also, no problem. C is on Tuesday, E is on Thursday, no issues. See the next question. Yeah, this related to quantitative aptitude. This is compound interest related question. CA means compound interest. Quantitative aptitude. This is why you people are more assembled, because reasoning you people have a bit idea, but problem in reasoning is time taking. That also need to be considered. Fine, now let's see. Okay, you understanding compound interest now. Sir, no, I want to learn in depth. Again, I'm saying you just see the compound simple interest, compound interest video available in channel. You go through, you can learn. Okay, but see this. They said, listen, 4,500 is the amount they are investing. Okay, for 3 years, and the rate of interest is 20%. Means your amount is increasing 20% every year. Right. After 3 years, interest means what is the extra profit you got? Interest will give profit only. You are giving amount as interest for other people, means you are getting extra. Interest will generate extra amount. They are asking in 3 years how much interest you are getting. If 4,500 is given and rate of interest is 20% per annum. Okay, listen, in simple terms, 4,500. Okay, first year completed. How much extra you have to get? 20% extra. See, for 4,500, 10% means for any value, listen, 10% means 10 divided by 100, 1 by 10. For anything you want to calculate, 10% is divided by 10. For 4,500, what is 10%? 450. So, first year you are getting 450 as the interest. 20%, so 900. Sorry, 900 will come because 20%. 10% is 450 because dividing by 10, 20% means 900. Okay, fine. Better. This approach is better. First year, Y1, year 1, year 2, year 3. This approach might be easy for you. Your first year, how much you got is 20% of. What is 20%? Interest for principal 900. Okay. Now see, what is this CI means? Compound interest. See, compound interest, basic meaning in our local language is Chakravaddi. Vaddi ki vaddi, we call it like Chakravaddi. In English, interest for interest. So why the name they given compound interest as interest for interest? Why? So let you know, so interest for interest. Compound interest is interest for interest. See, that's the one which is helping you here. Listen, listen, listen. First year interest is how much? 900 plus interest for this. See, 900 is the interest. For that I am calculating interest. That's why it is called compound interest. Interest ki interest kanukunte then compound interest ante. Okay, what is 20% of 900? 900 10% is 90. 20% is 180. So second year you are getting 1080. First year you are getting interest as 900. Second year 1080. What is third year? 1080 plus 20% of 1080. I think in first year in lab you have some program also related to simple interest and compound interest. There you apply formula, but I hate formula, so we go with method. So what is 10% 108, 20% is 216, right? Listen. Now all together, 3 years means 900 plus 1080 plus 1296. See units place 0 plus 0 plus 6. Answer should end with 6. Only one option B. Again, no need to waste our time. You can see option is B. No, sir, I want with formula method. I'll explain that also. As specific to women's, you have a lot of memory power. So we'll give that memory related, formula related also. Fine. So units place is 6 here. Some of units places only you can check. See, first year, second, there are many methods. In the video, you can refer compound interest. There I explained 4 methods. I'm giving you this method as you people are from. This is for first year, so this is better and ideal method also. Okay. Another method also, as you, some people are worrying about formula oriented, we'll give another method also. Another method with formula approach also. But how that 180? How you got 180 extra 900 plus 180? Why second year 900 plus 180? How you got that 900? 900 is previous year interest plus 180 because 20% of 900. For 900, 10% is 90. For 1080, 10%, 108. Dividing by 10. Okay. For 2000, 10% is what? 200. Dividing by 10. For any value, 10% is divided by 10. So they're asking 20%. When you know 10%, you can calculate 20, 30 and all. That's easy. I'm not focusing again 20% is 1 by 5, 30% is 3 by 10. Waste of time. You know 10% remaining all you can grasp from that. That's not an easy task. Fine. So the other method, I think this is also easy for you. Listen, you have 4,500, right? Okay. First year, how much increased? Interest increased by? Increased by 20% means you should write 120%, not 20. Why 120, sir? 100% means 1, no change. 100% means 1, no increase, no decrease. Increase means 120, decrease means less than 100. So 20% decrease means write 80%. 100% means your value not changing. 100% means 1, 100 by 100. Cancel, it will become 1. So it is increase means 120. Second year, how much increased? 120. Third year, how much increased? 120%. Minus 4,500. Why minus 4,500 at the end is? See, this will give CA. CA means compound amount. Means amount after 3 years. I don't want amount after 3 years. I want interest. Means I have to remove the principal. See, suppose I given 10,000 to you. You given 15,000 to me. What is the profit? 5,000. So 15,000 minus 10,000 you are doing, right? This is 15,000. That multiplication will give. So let's say 15,000. I given 10,000. So that should subtract that. I want only interest. I want only profit. So my amount whatever I given to you should be removed. That's what this is 4,500 removed. This is the other approach. Okay, which you people are using formulas in your lab. The formula approach is this actually. Okay, the amount in multiplied by, okay, what are the rate of interest? Sir, every year 20, 20, 20, so I can write 4,500 into 120% whole cube. Whole cube because how many years? 3 years. Why 120? 120%, 20% increase. If it is 10% increase, madam, last. వెనకాల డిస్కషన్ ఆపుతల్లి 120% because of it is 10% increase 110 110 110. Sir, no. Why I hate formulas? Because see, in a lab you are doing one formula, but in exam when you come, what do happen? You know, they'll say first year 10%, second year increase 20%, third year 30%, then your formula will fail. But here, first year 10% means what you will write? 4,500 into 110. Second year 20% means, third year 30% means. That's the advantage when you learn concept. Okay. When you go with formula, there is only thing when rate of interest is same every year, then that formula will be useful. So that's why we avoid formulas while handling here, or we'll let you know how the formula developed also. So this is compound interest means, so you can do okay directly like this also. But sir, why you are not giving this method? Calculator not allowed? Okay. Virtual calculator actually not allowed, or calculator not allowed for exam. Majority of the competitive exams or any placements you are attending calculator except TCS company, remaining companies they don't allow. Now 120% whole cube, 120% is 120 divided by 100, 1.2. 1.2 whole cube is 1.728. Multiply with 4,500, what is that value? From that removing 4,500, it will take time. Okay, within 60 seconds, are you able to do that calculations? You may write that equation, but calculation will take time. So, but this method, that's why given. Okay, we know calculator not allowed. This is easy. Okay, 20% for 4,500, then 20% for that 900 adding. For that again 1,080, 10%, 20% adding. This is possible in 60 to 70 seconds. But this one without calculator doing whole cube and or multiplying with 1.2, what it might be, that's not possible within 60 seconds or 70 seconds. Calculator allowed, then second method I refer. Yes, TCS exam calculator allowed, sir, go with second method. GATE exam calculator allowed, sir, go with second method. But remaining exams, calculator not allowed. So this method is required. Okay, so majority calculator not allowed. Now see this next question. This is also related to quant, basic one. Sum of digits of a two-digit number is 15. If 9 be added, the digits will be reversed. Let us say 23 means it should become 32. Maybe I reveal the answer, no. But for 23 is also correct one, but sum of digits 5 means. 23 plus 9 is what? 23 plus 9. 32. 23 reverse right 32 means. Like that they're asking, if 9 is added, it should be reversed. And sum of digits should be 15. Every option sum of digits is 15 only available. 6 plus 9, 15. 8 plus 7, 15. 7 plus 8, 15. 9 plus 6, 15. For 96, if 9 is added, it will become 100. It won't be reversed. 69 plus 9 will give 78. It's not reverse. 78 is the answer. 78 plus 9, 87. So the digit is reversed. And sum of digits is 15. Some of you people are thinking about 87. 87 plus 9 will give 96. 78 is the answer. Sum of the digits should be 15 and adding 9 to that should reverse. Sir, options not given. If it is a fill in the blank, yeah, still you can do. Okay, for your exam, don't worry. They are giving options. Okay, it must be okay multiple choice question only. But there are some competitive exams like GATE, GRE. Okay, sometimes TCS also giving fill in the blanks. Infosys also giving some fill in the blanks. Then this question, without options, how can we crack it, sir? Yeah, I'll give the method, don't worry. I hope you're clear with the things, right? Now the methodology which you people need to follow, okay, when options are not given. This is basics, I already mentioned for your, as you're a first BTech students, they're asking basic. This can be done within 30 seconds. Not required 60 seconds also, 30 seconds you can crack. But okay, when you come to final year or third year, what level we'll expect is we'll give the same question in the blank. Then it's not easy. Okay, I'll show the method what you have to follow. XY is a two-digit number. I'm taking XY as a two-digit number. As per the question, X plus Y must be 15. Is it? Yes. Now listen, if you have a number 37, can I write 3 into 10 plus 7 into 1? 3 is in tens place, 7 is in. So 3 into 10, 30, 7 into 1, 7, adding again 37, same thing, no problem. Right? Now, what they given the question, xy plus 9 should be equal to yx. Is it? That's what they given, right? You add 9 to the two-digit number, the digit should be reverse. This is the first condition. The second condition is this. Now listen, xy can be written as 10x plus y. Why? How can you write? X is in tens place, y is in. Okay. Yx can be written as, help me here, 10y plus x. Super. Now 10x and x, difference is 9x. Here 10y and y minus 9y. Yeah. Right side means plus 9y, left side it will come to minus 9y. Plus 9 means this will go to that side minus 9. Now dividing by 9, x minus y equal to, you know x plus y, you know x minus y. Adding, you will get x value. Subtracting, you will get y value. Adding these two, y cancel, 2x equal to 14. 15 minus 1 means 14. Okay, 2x is 14, x is 7. When you know x is 7, y should be 8, then only sum is 15. So x is 7, y 8. So the two-digit number is 78. So this, okay, will take time, 1 minute. This, if they given us fill the blank, definitely it will take time. We finally got xy as 17, so after solving. See, the same question they may change next time. Sum of those two should be equal to 7, then answer should be 34. 34 plus 9 is 43. Sum of those two should be 7. Okay, so you have to think. Next, hope you solve this. See the 19th question. At least we'll close at 20, then we'll give break. Don't worry. Now, see this question. 748 multiplied by something multiplied by 9, the result should be 861696. Madam is giving the answer, none. We'll see. So, see this question. Calculator not allowed. Okay, if calculator not allowed, multiplying, okay, and giving that result, sir, we'll divide by 9, we'll divide by 748. Within 60 seconds, are you able to solve? So we need to apply the method which can be solved in 60 seconds. So one method, everybody focus, listen. What is the units place here in 748? 8. Units place in this 9. Okay, we need to find x. Okay. Units place in this one is 6. 8 into 9, 72. Units place is, so I am focusing only on units place. I am focusing only on units place. So units place is 2. 2 multiplied by something should end with 6. 2 into which one will end with 6 is 8 required. So 132 no, 122 no, 124 no. It might be 128 or none. If none is not there, we will pick 128 directly. Because 2 into 8 only, 16 units place 6 will generate. So I am discussing only units place here. In 748, units place is 8. Right? In 86, 8,61,696 units place is 6. Okay, 9 anyhow, that's not a problem. So you want, okay, x such a way that units place must be end with 8. One method, okay, now listen, is it 128 correct or not? Wait, there is one more method which will help you. I hope you understand this one. Now see, 748 sum of digits, please. What is sum of digits of 748? Which will confirm the answer is 1 second. Single digit, 7 sum of digits, single digit I want. 10 single digit 1, yes. Here also 861696 sum of digits. See, sum of digits for 748 is 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 8 19, means 1 will come. Okay, here 9, fine. Here 8 plus 1, 9 means waste. 9 means waste. Again 18 means 9 will come. Okay, now x, if it is 128 or anything, it won't disturb. Anything multiplying by 9 will give some of this 9 only. That won't work here, because anything multiplied by 9 will give sum of digits 9 only. You try any value multiply by 9, sum of digits 9 only will come. If suppose 9 is not there, what is the other trick I want to? My thought process is like this actually. See, listen 1 minute. Okay, you know 25 square is how much? 625. My method what is here is, what is sum of digits 2 into 2 plus 5? Here sum of digits 7 into 7. 49 means sum of digits 4. 4 plus 9, 30. 13 means 4. You try 6 plus 2 plus 5. 13. Sum of digits is 4. It should match. Like that you can verify. First one sum of digits. Okay, you keep doing. Left and right should match. Otherwise that is wrong option. Okay, but here, sir, why you are not applying the trick is, problem is when 9 is there, x whatever it may be, x is 1 or 2 or anything, it will generate 9 only sum of digits. If x is 11, let us say, or x is 12 also, 12 into 9, 108. 1 plus 0 plus 8, 9. X is 2, 18, 1 plus 8, 9. It will generate 9 only. Okay, this method not helping for this question, but this is also one method available where you can utilize, okay, sum of digits concept. Sum of digits for this one and this one should match. Okay, fine. But we don't have other things, so we have to dividing by 748 and 9 only. 128, generally they don't give none. 128 is correct only. We'll cross verify in how. Okay, because again ending wrong answer. One question will leave. Okay, one question will close. Dividing by 9. 128 only now. 128 only correct, but okay, so we need one more cross checking point. If none is not given, okay, units place. So there are concepts like this, checking units place, checking with sum of digits. You apply for all other examples also. Okay, here 120. Last question to close. This is very easy. Sum of 5 consecutive numbers is 250. Find the smallest number. Sum of 5 consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means next numbers. If it is 15, next is 16, 17, 18, 19. If it is n, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, n plus 4. They're asking smallest number means n. Two methods. One method is sum of this. Every term is having n, right? So 5n is definitely there. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. Yeah, is 250. 5n equal to 240. N equal to 48. N equal to 48. This is easy for you, but same question. When averages topic completed, we'll discuss in a different style. Average will give middle term actually. When this is AP terms or not? These terms are in AP. Arithmetic progression. These terms are in AP. Common difference is what? One, terms are in AP, arithmetic progression. Then what you do, 250 average, the middle term will give average. Middle term is n plus 2. What is average is sum divided by number of terms. How many terms here? 5. So n plus 2 is 50. What is n? 40. Directly. There is one more method. Average of terms in AP is nothing but middle term. Middle term. What is average is sum divided by number of. Many of you know average and mean in probability, okay, or permutation combinations in your intermediate stage. So average is nothing but sum of terms divided by number of terms. Sum 250 they given, number of terms is 5. When you divide, I will get the middle term. N plus 2. N plus 2 is 50 means n equal to 40. Two methods. Right side one you people know very much. But this one going forward it will help you. When there are 15 terms, the second method will help. As is 5 terms, okay, 15 means second method will help you. That's what, okay, there is n number of methods. We'll discuss all those going forward. Yeah.